Hello. Hello, Earth Science. This is a video to show you how to use a video recording website called Flip. We're going to be using Flip, and it's also was formerly named Flipgrid. So if you know how to use Flipgrid, then you might not need this video because you might already know how to use it. But Flip is going to be a site where we can record videos of ourselves and use it for class discussion and maybe kind of give us a better sense of community with our classmates. So to find Flip, to find Flip for this class, you can just go to the bottom of course information. You'll see Earth Science Flip group, and there's a link right here. And by the way, this video is just for uh, PCs, laptops, or Chromebooks. If you prefer to do some stuff like this on your phone, you might have a better time. I think Flip is kind of easier to use on the phone than it is on a PC. But I'll let you guys decide how to do it. I'll make this video and also make a video for the Flip app. Anyway, so here's a link to the classroom on Flip. I'll be posting links in individual assignments, so you might not even have to visit this page. But your first assignment this week is just say hello. And it's going to be pretty simple. You can add a video that tells us your name, your desired career path, and a fun fact about yourself. So to add a video is pretty quick and easy. You'll see my videos down here. And as the week goes on, you'll see videos from your classmates. I encourage you guys to watch the videos and just to get to know everyone. I'm gonna click that pink add to talk pick button. This is gonna help. This will be how you're gonna record your video and now you can see me. So this big gray button starts the recording. And if you want to, there's lots of fun stuff you can add, like stickers, emojis, and GIFs. Like you can add this on top of your video. If you feel like being fancy or doing something fun, you don't have to. And if you're hesitant about sharing your face with the class, you can click on the audio button at the bottom. This way, you'll just share the audio and no video. And so if I will allow this if you do not feel like showing your face, like you don't want people to see what you look like, or I don't know, maybe you just have a chance to get ready in the morning, but you need to turn in an assignment. Whatever the case is, no judgment. So I'll go ahead and share my face and then start recording. I'll click on record, that button at the bottom, gives you a countdown. Also, there's a timer at the top, tells you how much time you have left. Before I started to record, it said that I had 1 minute and 30 seconds, so just be aware that there's a time limit on these things. I'm not gonna let you guys make super long videos, and this one's pretty short because you're just giving me your name and some basic introduction stuff. I'm gonna click that stop button. But after you record it, you click next, and then it gives you a chance to edit the video if you feel like clipping out stuff, or this is not required, but if you feel like you like editing stuff, you have fun, have a ball with that. And click on next again. You don't have to name it. This might be a good place to leave your name. Sometimes it already automatically collects your name, but anyway. Then click post a topic. I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to post this video, just a test video to show you guys how it works. But that's how you record a video using Flip. Hope you guys have fun with this service, and I hope this helps you open the class up for discussion. If you have any questions about how you use Flip, please let me know, and I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.